In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Audition for free on your PC or Mac. Start by clicking the link in the description. It'll take you to the official Adobe website. Once you're there, select your country and then hit the Start Free Trial button. You'll now see three options: individual, business, and students and teachers. Go with the individual plan if you're using one device. Or if you want access on multiple devices, the business plan is the better choice. I'm choosing the individual option, which gives you a 14-day free trial along with a 30-day free trial of Adobe stock. Click on Continue to proceed. Now, just enter your email address and press Continue. Fill in the required details, including your card information, but don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the free trial ends. After that, click on Agree and Subscribe. On the next screen, you'll be asked to set up a password. Go ahead and do that. Next, use the second link in the description to download the Creative Cloud app. Install the app, then log in, using the same email ID you used before. Once you're in, open the Apps section, and from there, install Adobe Audition. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.